guys, it's Shannon. Welcome to my Valentine's Day coffee bar tour. Before we get started, I always get lots of questions about the floating shelves and the chalkboard wall, so I will link some videos down in the description box below for you to check out after this video, and I'm sure you'll be able to find the answers to your questions in those videos. You can also tour my fall coffee bar as well as our hot cocoa bar that we converted for Christmas, and then I just took down all of the winter decor to replace it with Valentine's Day. So let's get started with the Valentine's Day coffee bar tour. You can follow me on both Facebook and on Instagram. I will have those both linked down in the description box below. Started with the top shelf here. I handmade a wood sign for the middle and used my silhouette cameo to create the design. I will link the fonts below so that you can check those out and recreate the sign if you'd like to. It is flanked by wreaths that are from Hobby Lobby, and then I handmade the little bows, and the ribbon is also from Hobby Lobby. Ends of the shelf have vintage ball jars on them. I have a candy dish, and I was so excited. I have had the coffee and sugar canisters up here and finally found the matching tea canister, so I have those on the top shelf with some cute little heart chalkboard bases in between them, and then another cute little candle off to the side. Moving on to the next shelf down, I have lots and lots of questions come in about where this hook rail is from, and it's actually from IKEA. It's very affordable and easy to install, and it's great to display your Rae Dunn mugs on. And I also have a handmade heart wreath hanging from it here in the center, and then underneath I have lamb's ear garland to just help fill in the space. Moving over to the other side, we actually have a thermostat hiding back there, so I always need something sort of larger to hide that. And I was so excited when I found this Rae Dunn Love tray for this coffee bar, which I just have on a plate stand. The chalkboard is from Target Dollar Spot, and so is the vase next to it. And I also have that cute little candy dish that complements the one above it. Now moving down to the top of our cabinet, which is also from IKEA. The top of the cabinet has a beautiful velvet table runner on it. I found this on clearance at HomeGoods, and I love the romantic feeling that it gives to this space. I added some fun paper straws to a Rae Dunn mug off to the side. Of course, the traditional conversation hearts and a ramekin. And then I was fortunate enough to find one of these two-tiered trays at the Target Dollar Spot, which I added a candle, some flowers, a couple hearts, and the sugar and creamer containers are also from the Target Dollar Spot. Moving over to the other side of the coffee maker, I have some marshmallow hearts in a Dollar Tree glass container, some cute heart cookies from IKEA in a ramekin, and then next to that I have my handmade tiered tray, which I used all Dollar Tree supplies to create. I will link that video down in the description box below if you'd like to create your own. And then on the tray I just have some coffee supplies and some chocolate Hershey Kisses. Now moving down to the cabinet itself, which holds my Rae Dunn goodies. I also have a banner on here, which I made a few years ago and was able to pull it back out since it matched the pink theme of this year's coffee bar. Last but not least is my very favorite thing about this whole coffee bar, and that is the chalkboard wall and the chalkboard art that I get to change out, redraw, and redesign with each holiday and season. Next to our coffee bar is also our kitchen entryway, and I thought it would be fun to show you all this space as well, decked out for Valentine's Day if you haven't gotten a chance to see it yet. I also have tutorials, which I'll link down below, for the Chalkboard Dollar Tree sign here with a love heart on it. And then I also have a tutorial on how to create the grain sack styled hearts here, which I made a garland out of and used drop cloth and some paint, and also created this heart pillow to tie the whole look together. Thank you all so much for joining me on this Valentine's Day tour. I hope that this video inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!